If I take my Golf 8 GTI for service and then the mechanic hits a pole in the service bay or whatever, what then? Obviously I have insurance, but what then?
Sure. So here is a gray area, and it upsets me very, very much. Always think like the customer. I'm a garage owner. I'm the mechanic. I'm also a car owner. There's not a garage owner in South Africa that doesn't have his own car. Fair to say.
Yeah.
So it happened this week that I got to reach out. A well-known dealership in Centurion, customer car goes in for routine service and the car gets damaged. Okay,
Mad.
badly. 230,000 Rand worth of damage. That's huge. And now we've got two problems.
What
because
car is this?
a Kia.
An expensive Kia.
Do you want the short or the long answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got to give the full answer. Let's look at it from both sides. The accidents can happen. If a car is worth 300,000 Rand, I can't automatically go replace your car. I can't just go replace your car. I have a responsibility to fix it. But I hold that thought. Is fixing and fixing the same thing, or do you get quality fix and horrible fixes?
Yeah, that's horrible.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the easiest way for me is as follows. Garage must take full responsibility for fixing that car to the exact standard that it was before the fix. If they can't, and my car's been devalued because of that, you, the garage, in my opinion, need to take the loss. Let me give you a real-world example. Thumbs up the number. A 2023 car with 65,000 kilos. In perfect condition with those kilos, wheelie valued at 300,000, we buy cars valued at 300,000. We know that that car is worth 300,000 Rand. That same car gets damaged, poorly repaired. I go to the same wheelie and we buy cars and I'm open with them. I say, guys, car's been in an unfortunate incident. I'm not trying to hide it from you. They offer me 220,000. The car's worth 80,000 Rand less. The selling dealer, in my opinion, should carry that 80,000 Rand. So say, Nicky, we can't replace your car. We can't give you a 2023 and replace it with a 2026. But we want to put you in the same position you would have been. So we meet halfway. Your car's worth 300,000 Rand. It's now worth 220. Here's 80,000 Rand from us. Am I unreasonable to suggest that?
No.
But
Very reasonable.
if it was your car and the 2023 was damaged, would you be happy? Hear me out. Another example, car's got 75,000 kilos. I love my car. I love the brand. Would you be happy to take another 2023 with similar mileage, never been in an accident, or what would you want?
Same spec.
Identical. So again, we look each other in the eye and I say, let me start with the end result. We are wrong. It's our fault. But please understand, we've got to work together.
Yes, so
It can't just be somebody that you want a replacement car. Your car's worth 300,000 Rand. It's now worth 220. Here's 80,000 cash plus the 220 that you're going to get. I leave you to your own devices. You buy where you like. Alternatively, we'd like to say to you, we'll give you the exact same vehicle. It can be 1 year newer. It can have a little bit less mileage, etc. But we're giving you a car that is worth 300,000 Rand. That for me is a happy medium.
yes. Oh, but it'll depend a lot. I'm thinking of it. If it's like a normal Kia Sonet, that's fine.
What happens if it's a special car?
That's the thing. I'm thinking about if it's a GTI. I know how I drive my cars.
Mhm.
I don't know how a 3-year-old GTI has been driven.
Yeah, also true.
So it will make me, if I have the money, I'll probably just sell the car, take the money. If it's really, really badly damaged, yeah.
But I want to get for my car what I would have got
Yeah.
before it was damaged. That's why I said to you, it would have been valued at 300,000, now valued at 220.
Yeah.
I must still get a total of 300, whether it's a combination of 220 from the buying service and 80 from the garage that damaged it.
Gauteng, the powerhouse of the South African economy. And then there's CHANGECARS Concierge, the powerhouse when buying a brand new vehicle. We deal with the best dealerships who do it the CHANGECARS way. Best service and best pricing. Tick the box, as this is CHANGECARS Concierge.